Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your bro Brandon. Welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video we are going to be doing a room tour of my 90 square foot room. As you guys know, I'm balling out. Now the real reason is, guys, is because I've been getting lots of comments on this video. 7 ways to make your room look cooler. It's got like 100,000 views and people keep asking me about items that were in that video that actually weren't like part of that video, just like my futon and stuff. So I figured, why not just make a video of my whole room tour, show you guys everything I got, then I'll leave some of the items that I can find the links to in the description below, guys. So let's get right into this room tour, guys. All right, guys, so starting over in this corner, we've got some Air Force Ones that got shipped directly to me from Tiffany, because you guys know I'm big ballin'. No, I'm just joking. I actually painted these myself. It's pretty cool. It looks nice on the shelf. And then over here I've got some colognes, some Acqua di Gio Profumo. This is probably my go-to for pretty much everyday usage. I've also got Versace Eros, which is like a really nice sweet one. It's kind of more for the clubs. And then I've also just got some really old ones that I had when I was a teenager, which I rarely use. Like this Givenchy one isn't very good. The Abercrombie & Fitch one is actually really nice though. Down here is the mini fridge. You guys know I keep this thing stocked up for when all the boys come over. As you can see, packed with drinks because of COVID. We haven't been able to do any of that stuff, but yeah. And then over here, which is the famous casting couch right here, the futon. You can buy this off of Wayfair or you can get it off Amazon. A lot of people have been asking me about what futon this is, so I'll leave it in the description below. Over here I've got a little lightning bolt, which was off of one of my videos, the things off Amazon that are under $25, the cool things. Up here I've got a shelf, which is priceless, which I got from my best friend. Shout out to you, Serty. He actually made this for me. He's a carpenter, so he got this off of one of his clients' houses. It was just a cut off and I think it looks really nice here, and he gave that to me. Got my snowboard up here because I love the snowboard. This is just an old snowboard, so I don't use it anymore. Got a clock right here, a GoPro just in case somebody tries to sneak up on me at nighttime and pull down my pants. I've also got a lint roller here. You got to use this every time you go out so you can stay fresh. You don't want lots of lint all over your body. Over here you will see that I have a bookshelf, which I would have actually a lot more books because I've listened to a lot on Audible as well. So if I had the amount of books that I listened to Audible on my shelf, it would be a lot larger. But yeah, I'm really proud of this bookshelf that I got recently installed here up in the Hollywood Hills. Just bought a Lamborghini too. Knowledge. So I got a nightstand here. This is also from Ikea. It's like super messy, so I'm not gonna like show you the inside and stuff. I just got a bunch of stuff in here. On top here I have a journal, which I write in every so often. I want to make journaling kind of like a habit, but I find it very difficult to write in every day. This one right here is just a calendar. You can see I've been writing in it just to organize my day. It's always better to organize, that way you actually know what you're doing, you don't waste too much time. Over here, you guys have seen this before too. This is my 3-in-1 docking system, so like for my Apple Watch, my headphones, and my phone. So over here, this is where all the magic happens, and by magic I mean where I sleep. So this is an Ikea bed frame. I'm not too sure what the name of this is. I'll have to figure it out and then leave it in the description for you guys. On the side here, I've got all my LED lights, so it's just super easy access, and I just Velcroed them to the side, as well as my TV remote right here, so I can just turn on my TV real quick. When you come over here, this is a new upgrade to my room. I got this little storage unit, I guess, or it's a TV stand, and I was kind of running out of room in my closet because I've got such a small room and I've got quite a lot of clothes. So I ended up getting this so I could display some of my shoes that I wear here on a regular basis. Got some Vans, some white leather sneakers, you know, the CDGs, and some Air Force Ones. And just below here you've got some storage for like underwear and socks, same with this one. And I've also got my Xbox here, which doesn't ever get turned on. It's probably hasn't been turned on in over 2 years. I rarely ever watch TV, which is, I don't know why I even got a TV, but and then back here is my closet. As you can see, it's packed with clothes. I got some pants back here, and I got some bags back here. I kind of have to move this whole unit if I want to get to the back there, which is kind of annoying. You're gonna make do with what you got. And as you come over here, you've got the rolling laundry bin, which I also did in one of my other videos. Over here, I've got my posters that I made off of Costco because I didn't want to pay like $200 for one of these from Iconic, but I really liked the idea of it, so I made my own. I said, remember why you started, and I put a picture of a Ferrari there. That's my favorite car. I probably should have put a Corolla there because, you know, that's where I'm at right now. But. And then below, I've got fear is temporary, regret is forever. I put a great white shark there because that's my biggest fears. And then I just got this mirror here, small little mirror. It's a little bit too low. I do need to bring it up a little bit. And yeah, over here I just got my hats hanging and a robe. And yeah guys, so that's the end of my room tour, my 90 square foot room. So guys, remember to get into that giveaway, you have to comment, you have to subscribe, and you have to follow my IG. Remember to do that so you can get entered in to win the $25 Amazon gift cards. And that is all for me today, guys. Your bro Brandon. Peace out and take care, guys.